guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Freya Mattsdottir, and this is my beautiful, handsome, very manly and clean model, Samuel Stevenson. So last week we did a everyday warrior look, and we're gonna turn that original look into a nighttime look. A little bit more glam with some jewelry, add some pizzazz, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair cloak over my model. And we're just gonna go ahead and add a couple more curls in here. This is a night look, so we want it to look more lived in because you've worn it the whole day. So I'm just gonna take a couple more sections and go ahead and curl those. Adds a lot of definition to the hair. A couple of back pieces. Beautiful. That looks great. Now for the glam portion of this hair, we're just gonna add some fun gold jewelry. So I'm just gonna add these gold little pins to Samuel's hair. You should be able to see it since my hand's behind it. There we go. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn him to the side, and we're gonna add these to our small side braids. Beautiful. I have another one of those that I'm gonna put maybe more towards the front. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't show this one. You won't be able to see it. There we are. Of course, we got these braiding. Beautiful. I have one more here. Beautiful. It's got some nice little leaf detailing. I'm gonna head and put this one on this side because I want to have even glam. We don't want one side super glam and one side everyday boring warrior. We want glam all around the hair. So I'm just hooking that into the side. Hangs really nicely. And then I'm gonna take another little ring and slide it up the hair, just so it hangs on our little snake braid like that. And then take another one, and this one we're gonna sort of stick in the hair and then pin it in like this. Just a little bedazzling. And then for the final touch, I'm gonna take my gold special spray, and we're just gonna add a little sparkle and magic. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and show him. He loves it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this night look. Send us your recreations, comment down below your favorite part, and leave any suggestions for hairstyles you'd like me to try out. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, smash that like, and we'll see you next time. Bye.